Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok watch history is not working. If you're using TikTok and your watch history is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have connected to to a stable internet connection, because it might be that your internet connection will be weak, so that's why you can't access your watch history. So you must have to make sure that you have connected to a stable internet connection. Once you have that, you have to simply enable airplane mode from here. So you have to wait for briefly almost 5 to 10 seconds and then disable it again. It will make a quick refresh to your network settings. Now connect to Wi-Fi. Once you have connected, you have to open the TikTok app again, and here you have to go to your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy, and here you must have to select activity center, and here you will easily get your watch history. Simply tap on it, and here you will find your watch history. Here you can see I have just watched this video and it is available here. But if you are having same issue that your watch history is not working, so let's see what you have to do. So you must have to open up your app store, and here go for search, and you have to simply search for TikTok. And here you have to make sure that there is no any update available. If there is any update, so you must have to update your app. After installation, you have to relaunch the app and then check it again. But if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to open your TikTok, and here tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings and privacy, and here you must have to look for the report option or the support option. You must have to tap on it, and here you have to look for watch history. You can easily search it from here. Simply search for watch history, and here you will get that what you have to do. If your problem will fix after reading this, so you must have to select the yes, or if your problem will not fix, you must have to select this no option. And here you have to describe that which problem you have, and then it will automatically fix your problem. So in this way you can easily fix if your TikTok watch history not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.